In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to include a podcast, background music, or any other type of soundtrack, Wix makes this process straightforward. So let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step guide to get your audio up and running on your site. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Wix website editor. If you haven't logged in yet, do so and select your site from the dashboard. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's important to know where everything is so you can move through these steps seamlessly. As the Kibot step, head over to the Add panel, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This panel allows you to add various elements to your site, from text and images to buttons and galleries. Today, we're focusing on adding audio, so once you click there, be prepared to take the next step toward enhancing your site's auditory experience. Now, click on the Video and Music section. This is where you'll find all sorts of multimedia options that Wix offers. Incorporating multimedia can significantly enrich your website, captivating your visitors, and providing them with an immersive experience. Within this section, look for audio players. Clicking here will open up a variety of audio player styles to choose from. These options are designed to suit different aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Selecting the right player is crucial as it should blend with your website's design while offering users a straightforward way to listen to your content. After you've chosen your audio player, the next step is to personalize it with your own audio. Click on Change Track to get started. This is where you will replace any default audio with your selected track. Subsequently, click on Upload Track, a straightforward button that opens up your media library. Here, you can upload your audio files directly from your computer. Make sure your files are ready and are supported formats like MP3s for an efficient upload process. Once your track is uploaded, it's time to finalize your audio setup by clicking on Upload Media. This will confirm your audio file and integrate it into the player on your website. Lastly, to tailor the listening experience, explore the playback options. Here you can set preferences such as autoplay, loop, and volume settings to suit the ambiance you want to create. By fine-tuning these, you control how the audio enhances your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully add audio to your Wix website, creating a richer experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to elevate your Wix site.